Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to another English class with me, Teacher Shira. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about analogy and classification. Before we start our lesson for today, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the notification bell to get more updates. Like, share, and comment in this video. Because learning is bliss, learn with Teacher Shira. Meanings can be identified and understood in various ways. Two of these ways include analogy and classification. These help in understanding meanings and text through word association. The relationship of text or images are examined to establish clear links to arrive at proper meanings of words. In this lesson, you are expected to differentiate analogy from classification and to determine the meaning of words, build vocabulary through analogy or classification. Let us start by defining what is analogy. Analogy is a comparison of two things that may have similar or opposite characteristics or features. Did you know that in English, word analogies or verbal analogies are commonly used in standardized tests and sometimes in job interviews, where you must show the relationship between the two objects or concepts using logic and reasoning. Let us have an example of a word analogy. We have here, tree is to leaf as flower is to petal. This analogy highlights the relationship between the whole and its parts. You see, the leaf is a part of a tree, and the petal is a part of a flower. Both the tree and the flower represents the whole, whereas the leaf and the petal are their respective parts. Therefore, word analogies works like ratio and proportion. Though analogies are common tools in writing, word analogies or verbal analogies are more like logic puzzles. On test of logic, one portion of the analogy is left blank. Let us have this example. Pencil is to write as scissors is to blank. Here, the students are left to choose an answer or think of an answer that makes sense to complete the comparison. I have here two images that will help you solve the puzzle. I'm giving you 5 seconds to think of an answer. The correct answer is cut. Pencil is to write as scissors is to cut. In this example, the relationship being pertained is the use or purpose of an object. Pencil is used for writing, whereas scissors is used for cutting. After learning what analogy is, let us now define word classification. Word classification is a skill of grouping related words together. Words can be classified or grouped together to ways in which they are similar. For example, cups, spoon, fork, and plate are all grouped together. What common characteristics does these objects have? Correct. They are all classified as kitchen utensils. Remember that words can be classified or grouped together according to its kinds or use. To deepen your understanding about our lesson, let us answer this quick quiz. Now get your pen and paper or your notebook and try to answer these questions. For this activity, you have to choose the correct answer or correct word that will complete the analogy in each questions. These are our choices: crawl, aroma, apple, bedroom, and court. I am giving you 30 seconds to answer these 5 questions. After that, we are going to check. Okay, time's up. I hope you are done already. Let us now answer number 1. Sound is to ear as blank is to nose. The correct answer is aroma. Number 2. Kitchen is to cooking as blank is to sleeping. The correct answer is bedroom. Number 3. Blank is to fruit as carrot is to vegetable. The correct answer is apple. Number 4. Football is to field as tennis is to blank. We only have 2 choices left. The correct answer is. And last, number 5, we have here turtle is to blank as frog is to hop. The correct answer is to crawl. Now let's have test 2. In this activity, you are going to classify these words to its correct category. We have 3 categories here: country, planets, and constellation. And these are the words that you need to categorize: Andromeda, Venus, Philippines, Korea, Orion, France, Italy, Pegasus, Uranus, and Mars. Once again, I'm giving you 30 seconds to answer this activity. Afterwards, we are going to check. Time starts now. Time's up. I hope you're finished already. Let us first give the answers to the first category. For country, we have Philippines, Korea, France, and Italy. For planets, we have Venus, Uranus, and Mars. And for constellation, we have Andromeda, Orion, and Pegasus. Did you got a perfect score? Very good! I hope you have learned something today about analogy and classification. Thank you very much for staying with me in this lesson. Thank you and God bless.